Hey guys, it's Dara. Sorry if I look like a hot mess. It is damn ass hot here in Arizona, but we got Boxycharm. Now this was delivered yesterday. And my mom also gets the subscription, and so does my sister. So I kind of got a little sneak peek. And let's just jump into it. So first off, we see a couple of things in here. But the first thing I do see, and this is kind of it's not usually like this from what I understand, but it's been real hot and it's been sitting in my car too. Picked up the mail this morning. When I say this morning, I mean like noon. And then I'm also gonna eat a little bit because I'm super hungry. Haven't eaten since 7 o'clock last night, and it is currently almost 2. This is the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. It is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. This is a UK brand, I do know that. And I know that their stuff is really good. It says formulated with avocado and broccoli seed oils, rich in omega fatty acids to help support the skin moisture barrier. Vitamin C and passion fruit acids help brighten for a fresh looking complexion. So you put it on and then rinse it off. After 10 minutes, they say if it comes into contact with eyes, rinse through thoroughly and may stain fabrics. So if you're wearing white, you better change. Next, we have this little packet from Lexi Gay. I don't know what that. I don't know. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful, and recycling this package will do. So it comes with a 3-piece set. It looks like it's a wooden handle for all of these, and then whatever. This actually feels nice. These are really soft. And then a little flat brush too. Okay. Got it. I'm sure. If you always need more brushes, like always. As I'm eating my Chick-fil-A, Alamar Cosmetics. This is Mother of Pearl Gloss. And I'm wearing lipstick right now. Let me see. And this is very glittery. It's pink with like gold reflex. I think I'm kind of feeling them. So one thing I really don't like about glitter and lip glosses is you have a tendency to feel them. They gave me napkins. They gave me a napkin. Making sure I'm not feeling anything on my lips. Let's try this again. Definitely some texture there. Yeah. Lots of texture, which I don't really like. It does. Next thing we have is the Butter London palette. I absolutely love the design on the package. And then we have 6 colors. So we have this teal, we have a brown, we have a kind of shimmery gold, a brown coppery color. We have kind of like this nice green. We have a pinkish, and then we have more of a golden eyeshadow. So let's try this out. Femme Fatale. Okay. See, I don't know about Butter London's Aqua Press eyeshadows. I do know I love their jelly. Temptress. Ooh, no, that's pigmented. And then we have Diva, which is this kind of coppery gold. Max, what are you doing? Sorry, the dog's in the kitchen. And then we have Star. Then we have Queen, which has a nice little pink hue to it, and I'm just gonna rip it off, and then we're gonna go in with Enchantress. Boom! Nice. Scroll down, love that cover. Okay, so let's look it up. So going down, we have Femme Fatale, we have Temptress, Diva, Star, Queen, Enchantress. Going down that list right there. See, okay, here's the scoop though. Don't mind this eye, but this eye I have both Star and Femme Fatale. So Star, this green, and then Femme Fatale. Star is just in my crease, Femme Fatale's on my lash line. Femme Fatale is really nice too. Star, you gotta build that shit up. Just letting you know, I know it's a shimmer, but I got hazel eyes, which I don't know if you can tell right now. But yeah. And then we got a gel liner in Desert Taupe. I'm gonna open this. Jesus fuck, please. Why the fuck do they have to have it like this? Some people don't keep nails all year round, people. Some don't even have nails. Like, I cut mine down like a couple days ago. I'm like, shit, a bitch. Guess that's as much as we're gonna do. Okay, so this is Desert Taupe, right? That's like a couple of back and forths. And that's just one swipe. So you could either kind of do it like lightly or you could do it dark. You could like build up color. Okay. I think I get this. Let me see. To be honest, I think I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. This costs $21 every month, and you should have about $100 worth of products. But I have tried this, and I don't... See, the reason okay, I'll give it a 7, to be fair. Okay. But I don't really like this. And you kind of have to work to build. At least I know this one. Not a big brown eyeliner fan, but I do like the brushes, and I know that at least some mattes I know in here I do like. In this, thank you. Though I always seem to never use masks, even though I'm like masks, and then I'm just saying I don't use them. Okay, so LMS, the mask retails for $35. The Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette retails for $32. So we are at $65. Lexi Gaia 3-piece brush set. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. I don't know how to pronounce that. Is $30. So we're at $97. Then Alamar Mother of Pearl Gloss is $10. So $107. And then Appeal Gel Eyeliner is $21. $21. 3, 6, 9, 10, $128 for it in this box. Okay. And then it says the Skin Bar at Ulta Beauty plus LMS. Ready for Flash Facial, July 7th through August 3rd, $10 at the Skin Bar. What? I think this means like $10 off, but I don't go there. as in like the Skin Bar, I go to Ulta. I always go to Ulta. I'm like second home Ulta. But I'll give this a 7 out of 10. Just because it's like, but it is what it is. No, I'm actually gonna go eat my lunch / breakfast / I don't know, dinner, depending on just how everything goes. But I don't really eat dinner, so but I will see you guys in the next video, which should be Ipsy. Don't know which one yet, plus or regular, but I will see you guys soon. Take care. Bye.